Today we are partnering up with the YMCA. It's a beautiful partnership. We have close to 2,000 young ladies, young women from the middle school ages, and they're all here to learn about life, to be motivated, to be inspired by leaders and professionals out in the field. And it's just a beautiful way to kick off International Women's Day.
I feel like the most exciting part about today is that as a girl becoming a woman, that we really learn to empower each other. Like if we want to be an athletic sport or be a doctor or do something really good with our lives.
I'm excited to be here today because it shows that girls our age, older and younger, have enough power to defend themselves or enough power in general.
So we want our girls to know that this is just the kickoff, this is just the beginning, because we take special days like these, like International Women's Day, to empower them, to have a voice, to tell us exactly what it is that they need and how they envision their future, and how we're here to support them on that journey.